Good morning, children. We are studying the lesson maternity from second unit. Okay, here we almost completed the activities behind of this lesson. A few other. We can discuss that today. Clear? Then, children, when we learned the lesson maternity, we have understood the sufferings of the people in the refugee camp. Okay. If a disaster like flood, cyclone, earthquake, etc. strikes your neighboring village, what action plan will you prepare for immediate relief? That is asking for you what type of relief plan we will taking for those people. Here they are given a pie chart. Study this pie chart carefully and showing the effect of natural calamities in the world over the past few years. This pie chart showing the effect of natural calamities in the world over the past few years. This pie chart divided by different colors, and it is strength we can see when we observe it. Children, study this properly. And after that, you have to give the answer for these two questions. Which appears to be the most disastrous of all the calamities? See, that is actually in this diagram, when we study the pie chart, we will get the answer. It is flood. Okay. Then second question, which seems to be the least dangerous? That is hurricane. Okay, that is only 6%. Anyway, study the pie chart carefully and understand what natural disasters are happening in the world. Then second one, what are the adverse effects of calamities? What is the after effect of these calamities? Diseases, famine, poverty, stress and psychological trauma, damage, death, destruction, etc. Okay. Then after that, what is the question? Suggest a few precautionary measures to reduce the adverse effects of such calamities. What precautions we will take to face this type of calamities? Give early warnings to people. Second one, evacuate people to safer places. Ensure that there is enough food supplies. Next, one more point. Ensure that the hospitals are ready to look after the sick. One more point. Take all the possible steps to prevent such calamities. Prevention is better than cure. Understood? Yes, next activity it is, in certain cases, people are given some precautionary measures. A few warnings related to earthquake are given in the boxes. Okay, when we face the earthquake, what we want to do? Move to an area away from trees, power lines, buildings and walls. Remain in position until the shake has stopped. Then after that, drop to knees and get into a fetal position. Close your eyes and cross your arms over the back of your neck for protection. See, children, this is all a general knowledge. This all you keep it in your mind. Clear? Then prepare a few warnings to be given to avoid the spread of epidemics in the camp. What is this? Conduct awareness programs. Drink clean water, preferably boiled and cold. Eat only healthy diet. Take preventive vaccinations. Avoid contact with the sick people. Such type of precautions we can take to avoid the spread of epidemics in the camp. Okay, children, watch this video, and this whatever I am giving to you now, this is all a general knowledge. Keep it in your mind and understand it is everything. Thank you. All the best.